Portland company is working to change that.
KGW's Keely Chalmers visited that company. She's live for us in Southwest Portland. Keely, tell us more. What are they doing?
Well, guys, that company is Vigor Industrial. It's best known for building and repairing massive ships, but its latest project is one that will go above the water and underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. It's being constructed inside this warehouse in Clackamas, and piece by piece, it's being added to the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, a suicide deterrent system. But this is not a fence or any kind of barrier like that. In fact, once installed, this system will be barely noticeable.
For the most part, these devices, this net system, will not be visible from the roadway. People really won't notice it. But it will do its job and do it very, very well.
The net system is going in about 20 feet below the bottom deck of the bridge. About a quarter of the system's already in place. The rest is still being manufactured. It's made out of stainless steel and will eventually span the entire length of the bridge. That's nearly 9,000 feet. And most important, it will be impossible to jump over.
Statistics show that once these systems are in place, the attempts pretty much stop.
This is going to prevent a lot of people from dying by suicide.
It's a project David Westbrook with the suicide prevention nonprofit group Lions for Life says works.
There's good research that when you prevent somebody from dying in one spot or by one method, that those individuals never go on to die by suicide. And that's partly because it's such an impetuous act.
In fact, the group believes a similar system could be installed on the Vista Bridge in Southwest Portland. Up until about 5 years ago, the historic bridge averaged 2 suicide attempts a year. But when this fence was installed, the suicide attempts stopped. However, the fencing was meant as a temporary solution, and some neighbors would like a more attractive, permanent solution. The folks at Vigor believe that can be done.
Can the engineers come in and design something that will be aesthetically a little more appealing? I certainly hope so, and I certainly believe they can, and we'd be here to help them do that.
And Vigor says it can also be done at a much lower cost. The Golden Gate Bridge project has an estimated price tag of more than $200 million. But again, that bridge is more than 9,000 feet long. In comparison, the Vista Bridge is less than 250 feet. Back to you.